Welcome back. Part 2 of the niche validation process is niche longevity. So pretty much all we want to do here is determine, is it an evergreen niche? And what I mean by evergreen is it a niche that is going to make us money every single month, or is it just going to generate money in the first couple of months and then die out over time? So the way we can determine the niche longevity is by using the tool called Google Trends. So if you don't already know what Google Trends is, it's pretty much as it sounds. It's a tool which shows you the trends of keywords over time based on the Google database. So here we have Google Trends. This is actually what it looks like. I will go ahead and include a link to this in the resources. And pretty much all you want to do is go in here and type in keywords related to your niches. For example, if we go and look at our first niche, which is outdoor tents, although I can see already that the numbers are quite low, but we'll still go ahead and work out niche longevity anyway. Let's go and type in best outdoor tents and then carry out a search. And then what you want to do is make sure you are using filters related to your niche. So as we are targeting the US for pretty much both niches, let's go ahead and change UK to United States, like so. I then want to go for the past 12 months and go for the past 5 years. That will give us a good indication of how things are going. If your chart does look a little bit like this and you can't really see trends, then of course you can go for a different duration, maybe all time from 2004, for example, and that will give you a good indication of how things are going. So you can see that pretty much it looks like it's going on the rise, which is a good sign, right? We can see there is longevity in the niche. If we saw the chart going completely all the way down like that, then that is a red flag and a niche we do not want to be involved in. As of course, over time, the search volumes are going to go down and down and down, which is going to have a negative impact on the traffic our site generates, which has a knock-on effect on the site's affiliate revenue. So let's go ahead and compare this to another niche, maybe a seasonal niche, to show you exactly what I mean. If we change best outdoor tents and go for best lawn mowers, for example, and then carry out a search for that, you can see this niche is going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And this is because this is a seasonal niche. Remember, people are only looking for seasonal products in that season. So if you actually look at this chart, like this dip right here, December, no searches. As the year goes into January, February, March, it keeps disappearing. You can see the searches are going up and up and up. And that is because it's getting closer to summer, right? Right here, we have May in 2013. If I look at this, this is also going to be a similar month to May. We've got May again. We've got May. So all the peaks are in like May and April in the lead up to summer. And then after summer's gone and it's no longer hot, people are not interested in cutting the grass. So what happens, the search volume goes completely down. So you want to avoid any niches which have charts like this or ones that are just on the decline. So let's go ahead and look at our last niche, which was table saws. So let's go back to Google Trends and we'll type in best table saws and then delete mowers, carry out a search for that. Again, I've got the US selected. We can see in this one, it is clearly been going up since, when is this? Since 2000. I wish that thing would stop flicking. I think 2011. You can see right there, it's pretty much been on the increase. And some of the easiest way to identify trends is to literally look at the bottom point of the chart. So you can see it's right here. And it's getting higher, 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 higher. And again, it peaked in April 2020. And again, it went up and up and up again. So this is a good indication as it clearly demonstrates there is longevity in this niche. When it comes to our niche rating sheet, again, all you need to do is, in your own personal opinion, what would you rate the niche longevity of that niche out of 10? So outdoor tents we saw was on the rise. So I would give that a 6, right? It's going in the right direction. Compare that to table saws of what we just saw. Well, this one was rising a lot more than the other one. So what I'll do is I'll give this a higher rating. So I will go for 7 in this instance. And that is how you determine the niche longevity. So in the next video, we're going to be going over the last part of our niche validation, which is rankability. I'll see you there.